Before we begin the bench press, I want to mention that if you experience lower back discomfort, you can try placing your feet on the bench instead of on the floor. This can help reduce strain and support better form. To perform the bench press, begin by lying on your back, face up, with a dumbbell in each hand and your palms facing forward. Position the weights directly above the center of your chest. Now bend your elbows to a 90-degree angle so your forearms are vertical, perpendicular to the ground. From here, press the dumbbells upward, extending your arms fully, but be sure not to lock out at the top. Then, slowly lower the weights back down to the starting position with control. Using the stability ball for this exercise can be a beneficial way to engage your core muscles while also working your chest. Lie face up on the exercise ball, positioning your upper back and shoulder blades securely on the surface. Your shoulders and upper back should remain supported by the ball, while your lower body extends off of it. Make sure to keep your hips lifted. Once you're set, press the dumbbells upward until your arms are fully extended, keeping the weights aligned over your chest. Then lower the dumbbells to the starting position. You can also perform the bench press on the floor. To do this, lie flat on your back on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat. This exercise is performed in the same exact manner as on a bench, except now your upper arms are resting on the floor. Since you're on the floor, your range of motion at the bottom is a little bit more limited. Using a bench instead can allow for a greater stretch at the bottom of the movement. However, this is still a great alternative for those of you that do not have access to a bench. When performing this exercise, make sure that you keep your wrists in a neutral position, straight and in line with your forearms throughout the movement. You can see here that my wrists are currently out of alignment for the first few reps, and then I correct the position. Poor wrist alignment can put unnecessary strain on your joints and reduce control over the weights.